Hi there, Watershed Stewards. I'm Ari at the Council for Watershed Health. I'm a staff scientist, and today we're going to make our own natural water filters. So I'm going to show you how to use the everyday supplies you see in front of me to create something called green infrastructure, which uses natural water filters to remove pollutants from dirty stormwater before it sinks into the ground and joins our local water supply. Cotton balls, gravel, sand. This is just some peat moss that I got at the craft store to make it look pretty. And those are all the things that are going to go into your filter, which you need a funnel for. And if you don't have a funnel, you can actually cut off the top of a 2-liter soda bottle or ask an adult to help you do that and use the top of it as your funnel. Then for the dirty stormwater, you're going to need a pitcher of water, pieces of straw or other styrofoam or plastic pieces, which represents trash, coffee grounds and garlic powder, which represents nutrients, cooking oil for oil and grease, and you can put some food coloring in there to make it look super gross. The first thing you want to do is prepare your dirty stormwater. Stormwater is basically rainwater that has fallen on the ground. As it flows over hard surfaces like streets and roads, it picks up pollutants like trash, oil and grease from cars, and nutrients. These are things we don't want in our local water supply. The stormwater flows into rivers and eventually to our oceans, which can harm marine life like fish and birds. It can also cause problems like flooding, which makes it really hard for you to walk to school in the morning. So here's how we make our stormwater. We're going to pour our nutrients and other nasty pollutants in there. Then we're going to grab our trash. You can use anything that floats for trash. Here's the oil and grease from all the cars, which kind of looks like those rainbow spots in the parking lot when it rains. And then to make it look extra gross, maybe we'll do a little bit of food coloring. There we go. And kind of mix that all up. Once you have your dirty water ready to go, you can start making your filter. So we're gonna first take some gravel, and the gravel will fall into the cup through the hole in the funnel at first. So make sure you have something underneath your funnel to catch the gravel. So we're just going to go with 1 layer of gravel first and see how effective that is. So pour your dirty water through your layer of gravel. And now we're just going to pour some dirty water by itself in here. Can you see the difference between the dirty water and the gravel filtered water? Look at all the trash that it got out of the water. Okay, great. So we know how well gravel works. Let's try some cotton balls. Okay, so throw your cotton balls in there. Throw a layer of gravel on top. Now we have a 2-layer filter. And let's see how well that works. Here we go. Dirty stormwater during a rainstorm. Gross. And look at that. As the water stops coming out. It was a really heavy rainstorm. Okay. You see any differences? You can create your water filter using any of these materials in any order you want. Keep trying different combinations to see which creates the most effective filter. Congratulations! You just designed your own natural water filter just like the ones in Green Infrastructure. To learn more about how Green Infrastructure keeps our rivers and oceans clean, reduces flooding, and also increases green space and our local groundwater supply, check out www.watershedhealth.org/livinglaboratories, and the link will be in the description for this video. Thanks for watching!